we learn question forms. What you have to learn today? Question forms. Listen everybody. It will be useful for all the classes. 8th, 9th, 10th. This is the basic one. What you learn today? Question forms. Question forms. Question forms divided into two groups. Question forms divided into two groups. One is WH, that means WH question. WH question. Second one is yes no question. Yes, no, yes, no questions. Yes, yes. Okay. WH questions and yes, no questions. How to frame question tag in this one? What are the words which start with WH? Questions which begin with what are the words which start with the question for WH? I don't know. You can say when. Sorry, WH, it starts with WH, right? Where. WHERE, where. Next one, WHY, why. Yes or no? This is all called for WH question. Then what? Then which one? Why. Then who? WHO, who. Then whose? WHOSE, whose. Then whom? HOME. Yeah. Whom, whose, when, where, why, what, who, and all called as the WH questions, right? WH questions. Then in which, then which one we didn't write, which you didn't write. WHICH. Which? One more. How? HOW. How or called. WH questions. Now it's clear. The word which start with the questions when, where, what, who, whose, whom, which, how are called WH questions. WH questions. Right. Now for example you can see dash is your house. For what we will ask, for example, where is your house? Where is your house? Question mark. Where is your house? When your house. So next one, what is the color of the sky? Where means place. What? It's a question. What is that? So what is the color of the sky? What is the color of your bag? What is the color of your dress? Like that we can take. So next one, what? WHAT. What is the color of the sky? So you are all higher class children, right? Why you are writing here the sky? Articles, definite articles and indefinite articles are there. So definite articles you have to write for the sky. Now I frame questions to get the underlined words and answers. I'll ask you, we have our annual exams during summer. I'll write there. Then what word is used to be used there for this answer? We have our Annual. Annual exams during summer. Okay, I underline the word here, during summer. Then what will come here? We have our annual exams during summer. So what WH word come here? What is the WH word question will come here? Which one will come there? When or where or how? Yes. When you have our annual exams during summer. The another one I read. Listen carefully. Mr. Rao and his family went to Andaman during vacation. Okay. So these are the words, questions. When, where, why, what, who, whose, whom, which, how are the WH questions. You have to think it correctly and tell me the answer. Sorry, I'm late because of heavy traffic. Sorry, I'm late because of heavy traffic. So what is the question will be? Yes, why? Why are you late? My friend walks to school. Fourth one, my friend walks to school. So what will come there? Yes. Then Sheila had toasted bread for breakfast. Sheila had toasted bread for breakfast. You keep it in your mind for the what word should be, write the what question will be there, and then we can give for the exercise I will give you and we can write it. The Indian ambassador visited the western countries. The Indian ambassador visited the western countries. So what will come there? Ooh. This is our school's property. This is our school property. This is our school's. First of yes, this is our school's property. So you should not damage. So you have to say this. The answer is this is our school's property. You have to think it and which question word should be used there. Then the doctor talked to the patient yesterday. The doctor talked to the patient yesterday. So you should know the timings. Time means when it will come. Place means where it has to come. So person means who. So this one you have to keep it in your mind. According to that one, according to the sentence meaning, you have to use the WH words. Next one, masala dosa is my favorite dish. Masala dosa is my favorite dish. Is there the question word will be and when and what will come there? Where will come? No. Sorry. Now you know that one, which word should be is there. And when I am asking, telling only the answer is there. The red colored bag is mine. The red colored bag is mine. When you read the answer 2-3 times, you had the perfect, exact, apt, correct WH word. Okay. Then we can go for yes or no questions. What is the questions? Yes or no questions. Here I write there yes or no questions. Then what is the meaning of yes or no questions? When I am asking the question, the answer is yes or no. That is called for, here I wrote no. Yes, no questions. Now we can answer me which is yes or no. Was the grandmother happy in the company of sparrows? Was the grandmother happy in the company of sparrow? In the lesson is there no? The patriarch to the lady, portrait of a lady. So they are asking, was the grandmother happy in the company of sparrows? Yes. The grandmother is happy in the company of the sparrows. So what you have to say? Grandmother is a lady. So what you have, which pronoun you have to use there? She. Isn't it? What is the answer you have to write? Yes, she was. Past tense. Yes, she was. Did you complete your homework? Did you complete your homework? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Did you Did you complete your homework? The both answer can write. Some children will write the did the homework and some will not do, right? So here, did you complete your homework? Did you complete your homework? So question mark. Did you complete your homework? For question, when the word is asking the question, when you get the answer, question mark is very, very important. Had the question tag is still more grammar principles, rules and all is there. We will go that one. How we will write, how to add the question tag, like that. That is according to the sentence. So here we can write only the yes or no. So what is the answer here? What is the answer? Yes. Yeah. Yes, I did. Did you complete your homework? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. But always use the punctuation, right? So, what is the other answer? Or, O or R? No. No, I didn't. Isn't it? Both answers is there. One is yes question, answer, one is no. So the question is, did you complete your homework? No, I didn't. So shall we go now? Next question. Shall we go now? What is the answer? What is the answer? Shall we go now? Yes, we shall. Yes, we shall. Yes, we shall. Sunny. We shall. We. Plural. Yes. We shall. What is the other one? So this is yes one. So no. What is the one? No. We shall not. We shall no. No. We shall not. Right. So the above questions begin with auxiliary verb. Above questions started with auxiliary. The above questions begin with auxiliary verbs. They are answered either with yes or no. Now answer these questions with yes or no. Now answer these questions yes or no. Answer this one. Do you like mangoes? Do you like mangoes? Yes, I like mangoes. Yes, I like. No, I didn't like that. Has the doctor arrived? Yes. The doctor arrived. Yes, he arrived. That he may be she. Doctor is a common noun. Next one, is the train running on time? That's a question. Is the train running on time? Next one, can Rani swim? Can Rani swim? So the same examples you can keep it in your mind for yes or no. You have to write this one. Next one. Will your mother accompany us? Will your mother accompany us? That's the question. You have to write for use for this word for yes or no. That question, read that examples very carefully for question start. We all love ice cream. We all love ice cream. Don't we? Because all, we all. Don't we? She cannot drive. Can she? She cannot drive. That is the answer. Read the following examples. This is the answer for you people. She cannot drive. Can she? Put a question mark. The next one. Question tags are used either for agreement or for seeking clarification. Seeking clarification. Usually positive statements. Positive statements. For example, have negative question tags and negative statements are positive question tags. Two types. What is that one? Two types. You can have that one. This one you have to keep it in your mind whenever, wherever for a conversation and writing the sentence. When asking somebody, you should, it's very clear. So, positive statements. Positive statements. Listen children, everything is interlinked. Everything. First you know what is the statements. The set of 4 types of sentences you are reading now. question tag, statement, and positive, declarative, sentences, type of declarative sentence, statements, tenses, sentence. So everything is interlinked. So you should not forget. For 2 ones are 2, how we are reading. ABCD alphabets, how we are remembering. The same way only we have to, that one will be continued from all, everything is interlinked. So usually positive statements, as an example, have negative. Positive statements have negative question tag. Are you clear, children? See, positive statements have the negative question tag. Then positive question tags. Which one is having the positive question tag? Negative statements. Just opposite. Negative statements, we will get the, what you will get? Positive question. Once again, I will read it for you. Listen there. Usually positive statements have negative question tags and negative statements are positive question tags. A question tag consists of a positive or a negative. Positive or a negative, auxiliary verbs and the pronoun of the subject followed by the question mark. Followed by the question, which is followed by the question of pronoun or the auxiliary verb. Okay, so for only one example you will see, for next class you will see many more examples. He is tall. Is not he? That boy is tall. So what is the question? Negative question. Is not he? You have a car, don't you? So is only one thing I write there. One question is tall. So okay, you have a car. You have a car. You have a car. This statement is positive statements, right? So what is the question tag here? Don't you? Negative. Don't you? This is the don't you, right? Okay, children. Next class we will continue this one up to what we have taught today. You learn that one. Okay. Thank you, children. God bless you all.